Sweaty day update. Covered in dirt and sweat. It's 85 degrees plus out here. When it was like 40 last week, it feels like. But rubbed a bunch of parts back and forth between the two cars. Swapping out all the door panels with the cleanest of the door panels that I have. I need to get some of my greasy fingerprints off of them, but got all the window cranks and everything swapped out. I'm gonna do another touch-up of them. I swapped the bumpers between the 86 and the 83. The bumper on the back of here was super rusted, and this one was about spotless on here, so there's hornets everywhere. I gotta kill these things somehow. They got a bunch of those parts swapped out. Added some of the missing latches that I had. I swapped out the speaker grills in the back. They're not quite the same shade of brown, but they look a lot nicer, and the speakers look nicer inside of them, so gonna probably swap out the spare tire and a handful of other trim pieces inside of here yet. I'm eventually gonna swap the wheels and tires, and I'm gonna swap these out too. Those are a little bit dirtier. Those look super nice, so I'm planning on swapping those out too. Robbed the door handle for that one. Yeah, big old hornet again. Ugh. Things are annoying. Ah! Ah! Hopefully you don't come back alive and sting me. Not in my hat, good. So, yeah, pretty excited. Swapped out the broken corner lamp with that lamp over there. I think I'm gonna swap out this grill too. This one has a little bit of an underscore underneath it. This one's a little bit more bold. I think I'm gonna paint that one up like I did the one on Spud. And yeah, I still don't think I'm gonna part this car out just yet. I just kinda wanna borrow the nicest of the parts that I can find on it and pressure wash it and hopefully find a transmission for it and get it on the road. Unfortunately, this transmission's pretty well shredded. I think in my last video I did a little showing of the input, but that's the input ball right there. You can see it's got the summer teeth. Some are there, some are not. But yeah, pretty geeked. Liking the progress that I'm making so far. Hopefully I'm not terribly sunburned, but it at least looks better than that janky door panel did, so pretty excited. And I'll keep another update video going as I get a little bit farther along. Hopefully I can find a transmission for this thing soon. I got a lead to one in Pennsylvania that hopefully goes through, but anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.